So, anything new? Any new problems with your feet?
Nope, nope.
Okay. Just relax. You can relax.
How's Ellie doing?
She's great. She's graduating. from
Oh, the end of the
university.
month?
Well, no, it was supposed to be this coming Saturday,
Oh,
but of course, there's not going to be any graduation.
well, they just send it in mail then, huh?
Right. They're doing something, some virtual graduation thing,
Okay.
and then one from her college within the university. There's supposed to be two separate ones,
Oh,
but none of them are happening, so.
yeah.
But you know, in 40 years, it won't sting so bad, and it'll be a good story to tell.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The first class in years, huh?
Yeah,
That they didn't have a commencement.
right. Ever.
Is she gonna stay around here?
Yeah, she's, because everything that she was applying for is now closed because she was working at university or aquarium
Yeah.
or zoo, and those are all closed now. Oh my God, am I gonna have to listen to that?
Oh,
for
come on now,
days?
that's music. That's music in your ear.
To your ears, because you're a contractor.
Well, would you rather hear me talk or
Yeah.
talk loud, like at work?
Yeah.
And mostly cussing. That's the only thing that was going on.
No, that would be more like music than the jackhammer across the hall.
Oh yeah. Well, is she gonna live with you then?
For now, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Till she figured, no, it was great. Listen, I'm in my house all by, it was a house for 4, and now it's just me and my dog. So it'll be nice to have her there.
You gonna make her cook? Come home, I want a meal.
Her specialty spaghetti
Yeah, well, anything.
from a jar.
Well, anything, you know.
Yeah, I mean, she will. She's cooked
Good.
before.
Just a little bit to keep her on her toes.
Yeah. Yeah, she's a good kid. She probably will spend time cleaning and
Oh yeah.
all that stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
She'll cook because she's bored.
Oh yeah.
She's been in her apartment with her roommate for, 6 weeks now. She finished all her schoolwork. And so I guess she's playing a lot of, there's a Nintendo Switch game, I guess, called Animal Crossing.
Oh, yeah.
And I think she's playing that like 17 hours a day now or something.
Get her some no-dose pills so she can stay awake.
No, not my problem.
Yeah, right. Just had to tease you though.
And you do.
Oh yeah. Well, that's good then. Things are going good for her.
Yeah, I mean, she's graduating with honors and distinctions and all kinds of stuff.
How's that boyfriend doing?
Oh, we won't talk about that on the video.
Okay. I just had to say.
No, he's a good
Say
guy.
yep. Okay.
Yeah,
That's good.
He's a good guy. They're still together.
Okay. Oh,
She'd kill me.
yeah. Well, like you say, you're damn.
Now this we took off how many years ago? 10?
53. When I was 53,
How-
17 years, and that one's 20.
This was 17 years?
Yeah, and that one's 20.
Wow. Okay. And that's great because you haven't had any more wounds or infections.
Well, yeah, when you scraped and took some bone out on the bottom side.
Yep.
Gosh, that's probably 10, 12 years too. Remember you come here, held at Christmas one day and looked at it or changed something that year. Oh gosh, that's...
Changed the dressing for you?
Yeah,
Oh. Well, you know.
that's how I remember. That was at Christmas.
You forget, I'm Jewish, so for me, Christmas is just another day when the stores are closed.
Yeah.
And I live, like 2 miles from here, so it was no big deal. My pleasure.
Yeah. Yeah, that did. Yeah, that was the only. You were the only. I was the only one that day.
Well, I would hope so.
Well, said just because stores are closed.
All right. So,
You saved your conservation money. Right?
exactly. Okay.
You got them in every room now? Got your fountain hanging in there too?
Yeah.
Got about 2 weeks ago, I went to the grocery store, grocery store, and I didn't go in. I just watched people.
You sat in
I sat right in the car
and just watched people go
and just
down?
in and out. And here they are. There was 2 people, a woman. They were pushing a cart. She had gloves on. Honest, I kid you not, and a mask.
Okay.
And she had a small SUV like the. She opens that up. She pulls her mask down and puts a heater in. And I figured, what in the hell is this? You had to smoke it, you got
Oh,
this
it's
mask on.
heater,
and here
cigarette,
she
yeah.
pulls out and starts since I have it on there. If you got a project,
So this is what you're doing to get out of the house as you go to the grocery store and just watch people?
Oh, no, yeah, sometimes if she just got a little bit, but if there's quite a bit, I guess what I do? I just tell people as I get in there. I just get to push the cart and listen to the music, and you get the dumbest looks again. They were like, what? Honest, I shit you.
Okay, now,
What?
just that noise is so
No,
annoying.
that's
music
when I
tape.
think they got,
Yeah.
like it's a chisel one.
Yeah.
It's not taking something off. It might be taking like tile off.
Yeah, I haven't gone kayaking yet because it's still so cold out,
Yeah.
but, yeah, I don't have a problem doing that because you're by yourself.
Well, aren't you getting a little antsy for it though? To get geared up for it because.
Yeah, I mean, I got all my gear, I got the boat, I got the rack on my car, and I just need the water not to be 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Need to wait for it to warm up a little bit.
Yeah, but to get the hell out of the house a little.
But I've been coming to work the whole time, so I haven't been stuck in my house 24/7.
Right.
So I don't have the same need to get out and watch people from the parking lot of the grocery store.
Well, hell, I go for a ride.
Yeah.
Even Bonnie,
Yeah,
But I don't smoke the heaters.
no, you're.
Here, or drinking your booze, your glass with
Okay,
a straw.
But again, if you look at it this way, her mask was for all the other people. Their masks were for her. So even if she's not taking care of herself and she's smoking, at least the mask was there to protect the other people she came in contact with at the grocery store. That's my little soapbox. So even if she lit up after she got to her car, I'm grateful that she wore her mask inside the store. I know.
No. Do you lift it up and take your sip of water, say with a straw?
No, I mean, I don't.
You know?
Where am I sitting? I'm not in a restaurant.
Oh, gosh. That good? That sounds. You hear that big one really doing some damage. Then you'd get excitable.
Yeah, if I wasn't videoing, I wouldn't care. I wasn't filming. But anyway. So what other crazy stuff are you doing at home?
Oh, getting ready to. Oh, they have to cut the lawn probably tomorrow.
Ooh.
And I got rid of a few things that are junk. You know.
Yeah.
And I took Heather out to my garage. We got a split where that's her garage and got some stuff in her vehicle. But I got my Bobcat and there's a few things that concrete items I got, and every 6 months I bring Heather out. Say this is all yours someday.
Oh, that's your daughter?
Yeah.
I don't think I ever knew her name. I probably did.
Yeah.
I'm sure I did. All right, so that should be pretty good. I don't see any other calluses or anything. It's not even a callus. Okay, everything else looks really good here. So let's just get some lotion on them. And now, when are you due for new diabetic inserts?
Well, I got them last year.
Okay.
So no weekend.
Yeah,
First of the year?
because I think it goes by the calendar year, and just to keep all the pressure off that spot is important. So, but it's looking good. I don't see any sign that it wants to open up.
Well, my blood sugars have been just real good.
Good.
I take them and then I write them down.
Yeah.
I've only had one over 200.
Well, that's good. Probably because you guys are doing your own cooking, huh?